Hello everyone. Now we will talk about the products tab on the admin console. Like overview tab, the product tab what we have under your ETLA console, the same products will be available over here. So under the Creative Cloud, we have Adobe Spark, All Apps Plan, and the Shared Device Plan. So if we have Acrobat Plan as well, then you will see one more section called out Document Cloud. And if you're using Marketing Cloud products as well, then you will see Marketing Cloud section as well. So depends upon the products what you have in your ETLA agreement. You will see the products over here. So now, for example, take an example of All Apps Plan K12 80 GB. So this is the product what we have, and if we click on details, it will give us the details for all the applications what are included in this particular product profile. So you see all apps plan have all those applications, and these are the included services, and every product that you have on the console has a product profile as well. So this is the default profile what we give. Like you can create multiple product profiles. So for example, I wanted to create a new profile. I can just choose test as a product profile, and if you want to give some description, you can just give it over here. Over here it gives us an option to notify users. If you click it on, then any user I try to add under this test profile, he will be notified by an email that you have been added to this particular profile. If I do not want my users to get any notification, I can switch it off. So based on your requirements, you can switch on and switch off this particular option. So if we go to the next option, it will ask us for the quota we wanted to assign to this particular profile. So for example, we have 10 licenses and we wanted to specify any quota for this particular profile. You can mention as per the requirements like 1 to 5 or even 10 as well. So based on your requirements, you can set the quota. Now if we go to the next, it will give us an option to enable and disable all these services. So based on your requirements, if you do not want to give all these services to the user, you can disable any one of these services as per your requirements. So for example, I disabled these three services. So now for example, there is a publishing service which has been disabled for Adobe XD. So in case any of the user will try to create any public link using Adobe XD, he will get a notification that this service has been disabled. So there could be a possibility that the user may come to you. So in that case, you just have to check what user profile and is added to and what services are enabled. So this is the last step. So now once we click on done, uh, you will see a new product profile that has been added, and it is Adobe test profile. If I click on that, you will see the quota I have given as 3, and there are no users as of now. So if I click on settings, it will give me the quota and it will give me the list of services as well. So these services has been disabled. In case I get a requirement that user needs to use Adobe XD service, I can just click on enable that and save it. It will change the setting for all the users who are added to that particular profile. So you can add users one by one on this profile. Like you click on add user and then you can give the required information and you can add them. You can also add users as a CSV file. So if you click on add users by CSV, you can download sample CSV file, and accordingly the information available in the CSV file, you can fill the details and then add multiple users at once in that particular profile. This is all what we have under products tab. The products are the same what you see in the overview tab, and these are the product profiles that you can create, and there is no limit on that. So you can create as many profiles as per your requirements, and you can choose multiple profiles as well. Thank you.